Money is the #1 cause of divorce. But couples who do weekly money dates have 3x better financial outcomes. Here's how. 30 to 60-minute weekly meetings specifically about finances. No blame, no shame, just facts, plans, and alignment. Set a recurring Sunday time. Treat it like a non-negotiable appointment. 15 minutes. Review last week's spending. Any surprises? 15 minutes. Look at next week. Any big expenses coming? 15 minutes. Progress on goals. Are we on track? What needs adjusting? No phones, except to look at accounts. Use "we" language, not "you spent" accusations. Both partners have an equal fun money allowance. No justification required. Net worth calculation. Watching it grow is motivating. Review upcoming irregular expenses. Celebrate wins. Paid off debt. Hit savings milestone. Stayed on budget. Get our couple's budget planner at https://funbiz.gumroad.com. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.